What if the secret to unshakable strength, clarity, and purpose was hidden at 3 a.m.? Discover how Hazrat Ali turned silent mornings into a source of unstoppable power. Have you ever wondered why the most enlightened minds of history rose before dawn? Why Hazrat Ali, a man of unmatched wisdom and courage, chose 3 a.m. to begin his day? Was it just spiritual devotion, or something far deeper, something that science is now proving true? What secret power was hidden in these sacred hours of silence and stillness? At 3 a.m., while the world lies lost in dreams, Hazrat Ali would rise, not out of habit, but out of divine intention. The Prophet's household would echo with the sounds of ablution and gentle prayer. These moments were not rushed. They were sacred rituals, tools to align the soul, body, and mind with the Creator. This was not just worship, it was mastery over time. Here's the shocking science. According to neurobiologists, between 2:30 and 4 o'clock a.m., our brain's default mode network becomes most active. This part of the brain is linked to introspection, creativity, and long-term vision. That means your most divine thoughts, your most strategic life decisions, are most powerful in these hours. Hazrat Ali wasn't just following faith, he was syncing with the brain's peak state. Why did Hazrat Ali say, "Sleep is the brother of death"? Because excessive sleep drowns a soul's purpose. At 3 a.m., there are no phone calls, no chaos, no noise, just a clear channel to reflect, to learn, to speak to Allah. It was in this void of noise that direction was born. Great empires were first imagined in silence. What did Hazrat Ali do before Fajr? After Tahajjud, he would engage in dhikr, deep reflection, and knowledge-seeking. This wasn't idle time. It was spiritual training, psychological conditioning, and visionary thinking. Every single day was a mission. This early morning was the time for mission control. Science says it takes 66 days to rewire a habit. Hazrat Ali had this ingrained from his youth. For decades, he never missed Tahajjud, not once. That level of consistency sharpened his intuition, decision-making, and character. Would we not transform too if we repeated the same morning ritual with devotion? There's a profound hadith. Our Lord descends to the lowest heaven during the last third of the night. The spiritual energy of this hour is unmatched. It is when the soul is most receptive, when the heart is unguarded, and divine mercy reigns unseen. Hazrat Ali understood this cosmic timing and leveraged it to build inner power. Modern research shows cortisol, stress hormone, spikes at dawn. If we wake in panic or distraction, we ride stress all day. But if we rise early in calm reflection, like Hazrat Ali, our dopamine and serotonin pathways activate. These create clarity, calm, and high-functioning focus. He wasn't only managing time, he was mastering biology. Hazrat Ali was not just a warrior, he was a thinker, a strategist, and a deeply spiritual leader. This early waking habit made him resilient. He could make decisions others feared. He could see beyond ego, beyond emotion. That's the productivity secret no app or system can replicate. Soul discipline. You don't have to start big, just start early. Set your alarm for 1 hour before Fajr. Begin with 5 minutes of silence, 10 minutes of reflection, and 10 minutes of Qur'an. Let it grow naturally. Within weeks, you'll feel it. The power, the calm, the connection. Hazrat Ali wasn't born extraordinary. He became it through habits. If this deep dive into Hazrat Ali's 3 a.m. secret stirred something within you, then don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Sage Chronicle, where every story brings you closer to timeless wisdom and inner mastery. Let's keep this journey going. Next time, we'll unlock more hidden gems from the minds that shaped history. Until then, take care, rise early, reflect deeply, and remember, think deeper, live better, and build resilience.